One pleasant evening, Emperor Akbar was walking through his beautiful palace garden with his vice minister Birbal. The sun was setting and the sky painted with shades of orange and pink. Birds were flying back to their nests and a cool breeze made the garden peaceful. As they walked, Akbar noticed an owl sitting quietly on a tree branch. The owl looked serious and calm. Akbar pointed at it and said, "Birbal, people often say that owls are wise, but look at that bird. It just sits there all day. How can it be wise?" Birbal smiled. "Your Majesty," he replied, "wisdom is not always shown through action. Sometimes wisdom is knowing when to act and when to remain silent." Akbar laughed. "That sounds interesting, Birbal, but I would like some proof." Birbal bowed. "As you wish, Your Majesty." The next day, Birbal invited Akbar to visit a nearby village. When they arrived, they found a group of villagers arguing loudly in the marketplace. Everyone was shouting at once. One man wanted to build a well in the center of the village. Another wanted to build a temple. A third wanted to use the land for a market. Nobody was listening to anyone else. The argument became louder and louder. Akbar watched the scene and shook his head. "They will never solve their problem this way," he said. Birbal agreed. Then he noticed an old village elder sitting quietly under a banyan tree. The elder listened carefully but said nothing. Hours passed. Finally, when everyone had finished arguing and grown tired, the elder stood up. The crowd became silent. The elder calmly said, "Instead of fighting, why not build the well first? Water is needed by everyone. Later, we can build the temple and market." The villagers thought about his suggestion. Soon they agreed. The argument ended peacefully. Akbar was impressed. "That old man solved the problem in just a few words," he said. Birbal nodded. "Exactly, Your Majesty. While others were busy talking, he was busy listening." Akbar smiled. "But what does this have to do with the owl?" Birbal pointed toward a tree nearby. By chance, an owl was resting on one of its branches. "Your Majesty," Birbal said, "the owl watches quietly. It does not waste energy making noise. It observes before it acts." The village elder did the same. Akbar listened carefully. Birbal continued, "Many people think wisdom means speaking a lot. True wisdom often means listening, observing, and speaking only when necessary." Akbar looked thoughtful. Just then, a young villager approached them. "Your Majesty," he said, "I have learned something important today. We spent hours arguing, but one wise man solved the problem because he listened first." Akbar smiled. "This is a lesson everyone should remember." As they returned to the palace, the emperor glanced at another owl sitting quietly in a tree. This time he did not laugh. Instead, he said, "Birbal, I understand now. Wisdom is not about making the most noise. It is about understanding before speaking." Birbal bowed respectfully. That is correct, Your Majesty. Akbar smiled and added, Today an owl taught me a valuable lesson. Birbal laughed softly. And sometimes, Your Majesty, the best teachers are the quietest ones. From that day onward, Akbar tried to listen more carefully before making decisions, and he often remembered the silent owl that had taught him the true meaning of wisdom. The end of the story. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.